How do you pull 24-karat gold from a phone already thrown away as garbage?
Inside a single ton of e-waste hides more gold than a ton of raw mined ore. Welcome to Process Media. We're deconstructing how discarded phones become pure, engineered gold. Every bin logged here holds a fortune nobody thinks to notice.
The real question isn't if there's gold, it's how much.
From here, the real transformation begins, piece by piece.
Millions of phones die every year. Most people never ask where.
A trained eye spots gold in scrap most people just toss.
Everything else in this building exists just to reach this bin.
To free the gold, the boards first have to be violently taken apart.
Once it enters here, there's no putting a phone back together.
What was once a phone is now just raw, mixed fragments.
Physics does what human hands can't. Abe, sorting metals by how they move.
Every stage strips away noise until only the valuable signal remains.
A machine now judges, in milliseconds, what a hand once guessed. The rough sort is done. Now precision takes over completely.
This stage isn't about speed anymore. You're up. It's about absolute certainty.
Some contacts hold twice the gold of others. Grading decides their fate.
From here, chemistry takes over, where mechanical sorting reaches its limit.
What happens next can't be rushed. Every reaction here has to be exact. Inside this sealed tank, solid gold is quietly turning into liquid gold. Every rising number here represents gold nobody can see with eyes. This liquid carries more value than most people earn in months. This is the moment the invisible finally becomes something you can hold. Raw gold now exists. But raw isn't the same as pure. Even now, this powder is still just a promise of purity. One small sample now decides whether this entire batch passes or fails.
Seconds from now, a machine will read this bead's exact truth. The verdict is in. This batch is genuinely, provably gold. What's tested and true now faces the final transformation. Pure fire. At nearly 1100 degrees, the last traces of impurity simply burn away. The last impurities are pulled away, leaving only what truly matters. For the first time, this material finally looks like what it is.
What began as scrap now sits solid, heavy, and undeniably real.
Polishing doesn't add value here. It simply reveals what's already true. "99.9% pure, the number that makes this official."
That stamp now travels with this gold forever.
wherever it goes.
What started as landfill is now certified, valuable, and ready for the world. Every bar on this shelf once rang, buzzed, or sat in someone's pocket. From here, this gold rejoins jewelry, electronics, and industry all over again. Every ending here is really just the start of another beginning.
Nobody sees this work, but every phone here proves it mattered.
One day's total scrap just became several kilograms of certified gold.
This stamp is the only proof left of where it came from. So it turns out you can pull 24-karat gold from garbage, patiently, precisely, honestly.